Well, it's amazing to always go and sit in front of a customer and say you're working for a company that's been around for over 100 years, because that says a lot of things, right? That means that no matter what happens, we will take care of our customers and we will get the job done. Our reputation is everything. So we do everything that needs to be done and everything that has to be done to make sure our customers are happy and make sure everything is working fine.
We have taken the approach to listen to the customer and get ideas. What do they need? What are they looking for? What's lacking? And we're in the process of coming up with what we feel like will be a pretty revolutionary way of looking at locking systems going forward.
Southern Folger is unique in the industry in that we've been doing it for over a century. We are the experts. We know locking systems better than anybody else.
If we've done our job at the end of the life cycle of a product, then the customer comes back, and that's how we know we did a good job.
We design them, we manufacture them, and we do install them as well.
Our manufacturing capabilities are very critical because it allows us to turn around deliveries very quickly. So it's great to have the equipment to take it through laser and cut the material, then bend it in the press brakes and weld it, and go into assembly and get it out that same day if we have to, if that's what the customer needs.
We have a full product capability. We feel that's very important for our customers in that we do it all. We have complete control over the process. We're not relying on outside companies. We control our quality, we control our delivery. It is what we do.
The quality of the product's important, so we want to be able to control the process. We don't subcontract out our process of manufacturing, we keep it all in-house.
Facilities are very slow to move with new technology, and the reason that is life safety. They know that what works has been there for decades and it works time and time again. What we're trying to do now is blend that decades of experience and then move it into the new technology sector.
So the Southern Folger Electronics is a different type of business for us because it's not your typical manufacturing, it's more integration of different systems.
We are responsible for all the electronics and all the controls of the facility. I like to say we bring the smarts to the hardware, from engineering to programming to installation and setup, so we do all that stuff. It's all custom built, it's all designed specifically for each job, and we're always very confident that no matter what happens, we'll figure it out. If there is a way to get it done, we'll get it done. When you talk about software and engineering, you're talking about people. It's the strength comes down to the strength of the people you have. And we have very strong people, and that always gives us an edge.
Electronics, of course, connects with our locks and locking systems. So it's good to have one company handle both the electronic side of the business and also the detention side with the locks. So if there's an issue, one person handles it, one company handles it, and it's not like the customer has to turn to two different contractors.
Everything that we provide is great product. So that's why we have people that still have 20 years of product or more, because it's quality product that has lasted for years.
So ultimately, at the sale of the product, that is not the end, that is the beginning. For a product that lasts 20, 40, 60 years, service after the sale of the product is probably the most important thing to consider when supporting a customer. All of our employees, all of our service technicians are some of the most qualified experts in the industry. We're able to provide service anywhere from the East Coast to the West Coast to best maintain, repair, and support the equipment that we provide to our customers. Southern Folger stands behind all of the products that it manufactures. We offer a 12-month warranty with any and every product that ships out of the facility. We're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The goal is to provide safe, efficient, quality service for our customers.
We stand behind our product. We're not afraid to go into the field and deal with an issue and get it corrected and make sure that the owner or customer is very happy with the solution.
When we grew up here at Southern Folger, it was new construction. Now we've got retrofit. We've got facilities that don't have money for new construction. They have to get doors up working quickly. They have limited funds, and those funds are tied to deadlines.
Southern Folger's future is bright in construction. We carry contractor's license in every state that allows a contractor's license. I have a group of trained technicians that install everything we make. They work with our engineers, they work with the customers. They'll go into a facility, do site surveys, walk with the customers. Hey, this is not working, this is what you need to replace. I would like my customers to come to me for advice, not just for a scope of work to be completed.
We're dealing with life safety, so if there's a door down, it's an unsafe situation and we want to be able to provide the service to get it back up and running for them.
When we leave a job, we make sure the scope of work for a client is done and they're happy.
What drives Southern Folger is we know that we're the market leader and we have to live up to be a market leader and we have to behave like a market leader, so we have to stay ahead of the competition and we have to drive the level of performance in the industry up. So it's a responsibility we have and we take it serious.